Hello, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to create this glossy effect with this lighting on top, which you can see. So let's begin. Create a new page. You can select any dimensions you like. After that, make it full screen by pressing twice F and fill your background with black. Okay, in this tutorial I'll use this font and a little bigger size. Make it white color. So let's just adjust it in place. I'll use it and make it a bigger more. Here we go. Okay, now create a new layer. Using the control option, click on the layers icon over here, so you get a selection over this text. Select your gradient tool, and I have created two combinations here of purple. You can get the code from here, 8804C6 for the light purple, and for the dark purple it's 49046C. After that, you can press this new button here to save it in your palette. Click, using your shift key, click from top and drag it down. You get the gradient over this new layer, which will name it color. After that, select your elliptical marquee tool and give a feather of 20. Being in the same layer, just select the half part of your bottom of this text and press Ctrl X to cut it, and press Ctrl V. It will automatically create a new layer. So just place it exactly in the place. After it's in place, move it twice or thrice on the right side and a bit more down. Just adjust it so that you have this type of effect. You can name this glossy look. Glossy. Create another layer and using your brush, have a bit bigger size and keep your hardness 0, keeping the foreground to white. Just brush up on top of this text like this. After you're done, it's pretty simple, just so that the remaining shouldn't be with white. And change the blend mode to soft light. Gives you this shiny look. Do select the text layer of this glossy and move it 2 or 3 times on the left, twice up, like this. Okay, and give this one shine effect. So create another layer and holding Control, select your glossy text layer, the color and the glossy. Select duplicate layers to duplicate them. After you have duplicated them, you have them all selected, press Ctrl E to merge them all together. After you have done that, drag this layer to the bottom, and after doing that, press Ctrl T for the transform tool. Right click and click on flip vertical. After you have done that, press enter key and using your shift and arrow keys, bring it down so that we are creating actually here a reflection of this text. After you have done that, you can rename this to reflection. After that's done, click on the add mask layer, select your gradient tool and shift to your gradient white to black. After that's done, make sure the mask layer is selected. Hold your shift key from down, drag it straight up. It's actually the opposite way. try to adjust it so that you don't have completely this text scene. After it's done, click on your text here and make the opacity to 50. And now in the new layer we created, we need a outer glow. Actually we have to create a text effect for this. Double click on this text of this glossy and on the option of outer glow, make the blend mode to normal 75 and we'll have this color 62006B, a dark purple. Make it spread 5 and size to 8. Change this quality to curve deep. After doing that, you see the effect. After that's done, the layer which we created above all, here rename this to light, you can say any rays or something. Zoom back a bit. Using this gradient tool, let's select our purple which we created before and hold your shift key from top and drag it straight down. After we have got that, it looks like everything is gone. So let's create a new effect. Go to filter, render and select lightning effects. In this effect we'll select the 5 lights down. Once you have this selected, select the exposure to -55. I hope you get all these settings over here. Let them be as it is. If anything a default, I have just changed the exposure to -55. Press OK. You get this. Change the blend mode of this layer to lighten. There we have this glossy effect. It's all done. It's great. You can even add some more shining effect here at the bottom of this. Come back to your shining effect layer, select your brush tool and reduce the size a bit. Hold your shift key, click and hold your shift key and you can drag straight so that it just shines a bit like this right reflection. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching.